award. Here, George Preston, black, 66, Ford 100. Antique Book Car Award, 1965 GTO, driven by George Presser.
Hey Larry, what's the name of that guy? Bill Carr, Gooby, or what's his name? Who? The guy on TV has got his own show. Bill Sweet. Boo. Hey.
We've got a red rod, driven by Mike Stewart. It used to be a 1934. All the way from Briarton, Kentucky. Street Rod Award. Danny Hopkins in his 37 Ford.
Thank you, hon, for letting me come here.
All the way from Germany, at least at one time. Import Car Award goes to the Mercedes. Stevie Ryan.
Is that a four-cylinder?
What's your name, sir? John Brereton, driving a 1955 Street Machine. Congratulations.
Hey, Doc, I got a gallon.
You got it, Rosie. Thank you, man. You, 1968 Camaro. Here comes Wilma Bracken on a motorcycle choice Volkswagen. You ain't never had as much fun in a Volkswagen. Have you ever rode with a gas pump before? Have you ever rode with a gas pump before?
I didn't say a word.
So far, Sam Williams, 1947 Plymouth. almost yellow. He couldn't quite get enough yellow paint to do it. Tomorrow afternoon, after you rest up a little while, find your way over to Brownsville, Tennessee. Wayne's got a car show called Tennessee Trash. They'll have some great cars over there, so go visit the guys in Brownsville. Bill Truck, Roger, and Regina Bland. Steve Rudder, 1955 Chevy. This is the Chevy car of the show. 1938 Chevy truck, driven by Jay Hickman. Plum purple.
Hey, Megan.